In the last lesson we were looking at staccato playing, which means we make our notes very short and detached. I'm going to play some quarter notes with a staccato character, so I'll count in and then play these notes. So here we go. Let's count it with a beat of 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I was very careful to keep counting in my head. I had that initial tempo of 1, 2, 3, 4 in my head, but because I was playing staccato, I didn't hold those notes for the full amount of time. Even though I was making sure I was still playing quarter notes, and I kept playing one kept coming on every single beat of the music, but I didn't hold the note for the entirety of the beat. And that's what we really are talking about when we're playing staccato, is really short and spiky notes which don't necessarily hold for the full duration of the beat. Of course, there must be an opposite to that. What happens when a composer wants us to not play short, spiky notes that might look like that? They want us to play long, fluid, held notes that might look something a bit like this. Just to compare, here's some staccato notes. I'll count in again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's something a bit different. Here's when we're going to hold them and really concentrate on holding these notes for the full duration of the beat. Let's try once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes it's very important to a composer that we hold our notes for the full duration that they're supposed to be played for. When we do that, it's called playing with a tenuto articulation. Tenuto. And in fact, tenuto just means hold in Italian, so it's really easy to remember. And just the same way that the symbol for a staccato was very similar to the way we've drawn it up here, a dot. So here's our quarter note that we're just playing with a dot. Just the same way with tenuto, if we're going to hold it on for its full duration, so it's going to absolutely take up the full amount of time in between the beats, we just put a line underneath it like that. So to compare once more, here are some staccato quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here are some tenuto quarter notes held for the full duration of the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4.